Hello and welcome to Let's Look at Lifestyle. Today I'm going to chat about the gut microbiome. Some of you might have read or heard about the gut microbiome. It's something that many people are becoming aware of, and more I'm being asked about it in my day-to-day practice. Microbiome science is quite new, and most of the research has taken place within the past 20 years or so. The emerging evidence suggests that the gut microbiome is very important in determining our overall health. The average human gut is 5 metres long. There are different parts to our guts: our mouths, our gullets, our stomachs, and our small and large intestines. The gut microbiome consists of the lining of our guts and more than 100 trillion microorganisms that live there. The highest density of microorganisms is in our large intestine or colon. Most are bacteria, but there are other microorganisms present, such as viruses and fungi. The lining of the gut allows our bodies to absorb important nutrients that we eat. It also acts as a barrier to harmful substances within the gut. Cells lining the gut and the microorganisms that live there secrete chemicals and hormones that are important for our immune systems, our brains, and the other organs in our bodies. From the moment we're born, possibly even before, the gut microbiome is affected by various factors. Some factors have adverse effects on the gut, causing us to lose the layer of gut cells with microorganisms that we need to stay healthy. One example some of you might already have come across is antibiotics. They might treat the infection we want them to treat, but they can also disturb the balance of healthy bacteria in the gut, which leads to gut upset, such as nausea or diarrhea. It can take a few weeks for our guts to recover from that. Diets high in ultra-processed food will also disturb the healthy balance of microorganisms in our guts. This disturbance of the gut microbiome is called dysbiosis and has been found to be associated with many chronic diseases. In episode 7, I mentioned the Eat Well guide and the health benefits of eating a plant-based whole food diet and avoiding ultra-processed foods. An important reason for avoiding ultra-processed foods is the harm they can cause to our gut microbiomes and consequently the rest of our bodies. The chemicals in ultra-processed foods can damage the gut microbiome, causing dysbiosis, which can result in not only gut symptoms, but an increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes, and impact on all aspects of our physical and mental well-being. There's a great deal more to talk about, so I'll come back to the gut microbiome another time. If you'd like to learn more about it yourself, there's a great podcast called Microbiome Medics you could listen to. It's presented by 2 GPs who will tell you all you want to know about the gut microbiome and the science surrounding it. I'll add it to the commentary. See you again next week.